Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a quick unpackaging for you. This is the Silver Series performance trucks from Hot Wheels, and we're going to unpackage each one of these and then we'll throw them up on the turntable for you, so stick with us. Alright guys, we're going to start off with this Jeep Cherokee Trackhawk, the 2019 model, looking good in white actually, so super clean looking Trackhawk. So they had this in the premiums this year in red, and so this is just a little less premium but still a cool color combo with the black stripe. Yeah, I'm digging that one. That wheel choice is cool too. I like that wheel. Yeah, nice looking casting to start off, guys. I'm not going to complain on the color scheme or the graphics on that one. I'm digging it. All right, next up we have a 2019 Silverado Trail Boss. So they've had this casting before, but this color, it's hard to describe, guys. I don't know if it's coming through on camera. It's almost like a rose gold, and it's just not showing that. It's kind of color changing. Pinkish, purple, silvery, but yeah, I would call it a rose gold. It's a nice black wheels. I actually like that wheel. It's a cool looking wheel. Cool looking wheel on that one. Trail Boss. There's the Chevrolet. Got a sunroof. Yeah, it's a nice little casting. 2019 Chevy. All right, next up is the Bronco R, and I actually like this casting, but I just am not a big yellow fan. So it does pop, but I just think if it was a different color, I would have enjoyed it more. It's got the Ford Performance logo up there, so it's got some nice detail with the red R on the grille there. Very nice detail, I'll give it that. I like all the decals and the livery. Not too shabby. Red line wheels. Yeah. Cool little Bronco R. Ford Performance. All right, now we are on to the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. So I thought maybe they're all going to be 2019 the way we're going, because 3 or 4 of the cars are all 2019 model years. This Ram, the Trackhawk, Chevy, and the Raptor are all 2019s. This one is a 2020. Did I say this? Ram was a 2019? It's not. So 3 2019s and then a 2020. But not looking too bad with the black stripes there. I got the Rebel decal. The Hot Wheels logo and stuff on the wheels are in a gray color. That's kind of neat. Can't make that out what that says, but that says Hot Wheels. Maybe that's 2 Hot Wheels. Can't tell. Either way, at least it has decent looking wheels. Yeah, not too bad. All right, last one of this performance trucks packs is the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor in a nice gray color. Nothing too out there or flashy. A realistic color choice for the Ranger Raptor, guys. They've had this in a few different color schemes. They've had like an HKS color scheme, blackish color, but it looks pretty good in gray. I dig it. It's got the Raptor livery on it. Yeah, it's kind of different. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the quick unboxing of the performance trucks. Let me know which one your favorite is out of this set. For me, it's probably the gray Raptor, and I think that white Trackhawk is pretty cool color scheme and casting. So those are my top two. If the Raptor was in a, or it's not really a Raptor, but the Bronco R was in a better color, maybe that would have been on the list. But let me know what your favorite one of the set is, guys, and stay tuned for our next video. Have a good one.